The IPCC report says we've got 12 years to turn it around.
Yeah.
12 years.
A lot of people have lost hope.
We started having conversations about something known as regenerative agriculture. Actually, one of the best ways that we can get carbon out of the air is through soil processes.
Building soil through regenerative agriculture can pull billions of tons of CO2 out of the air.
We know that the future can be regenerative because we can build back soil.
So there are ways to capture carbon in the soil, part of something known as regenerative agriculture.
We are training people to present and advocate for these solutions.
Regenerative agriculture might be the nonpartisan unifier the Green New Deal needs.
We need to innovate and change our cow grain from which they feed in these troughs. That we need to really take a look at regenerative agriculture. Like, these are our solutions.
We can build a regenerative system that would increase the accessibility of nutrient-dense, safe food for all communities.
This is not a partisan issue.
Republicans are focused on pragmatic solutions to climate change.
And I think that's a result of the millions of particularly young people who have been mobilizing on this issue.
This is something that we have to do.
Remember that there is no one like you, no one who, once they're empowered, is going to reach the same audience as you.